Hello, I hope you are well. I want to talk to you. Let's promise each other to be better people in the new year and make the most of the experiences we gained last year and make ourselves better. Be kind to each other and don't hurt or upset each other. Let's love each other. Family is the most important thing. Spend more time with your family and love them in the new year. Whatever happened last year is over and follow your goals in the new year. God loves you, so He will surely help you. I hope I was able to be effective. Thanks for watching the video.